Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you a method that creates a plus sign, an X sign, and then at the end I will expand on that and show you something you could create by calling upon methods at the same time in several different formats. Let me first start by explaining what a method is and why it is used. A method is a function that gives us the ability to put together multiple commands. So in other words, it can save you a lot of time by having the method execute code that you have already written. Okay, so in this method we'll be creating a plus sign, so I named it draw plus sign, and in the parameter I added int length. I didn't use a set number because I want it to be flexible enough for the size to change if needed. This parameter will be input by the user later on, so that the user can decide how big the plus sign should be when it is created. So in this method I use the keyword this, because it needs to be able to be used for any other object reference. Next is the code itself needed to draw the plus sign. Moving on to the next method, draw X sign, will be, you guessed it, we'll be drawing an X. And the parameters int width sets the pen width to a certain size, and int length to choose how big of an X needs to be created. So let's just go ahead and call these methods now. Here we create a world for the turtle to move around in, and here we create two turtles within that world. Now the way we call a method is by using an object reference. I will be using t for the first turtle, and then call upon the method by following it after the t and the dot, the method name. So in this case I've chosen to have the turtle t call upon the method draw plus sign with the length of 100, and then we hide the turtle. And for turtle 2, we create it in the same world, and we call upon the method for the second turtle, t2 draw X sign, with a pen width of 5 and the length of 70. And then we hide that turtle. So when we hit run, we should see a plus sign and an X symbol. There we go. Now let me show you something more complex you could create by calling upon the methods many times in different ways. See how I've created several instances of turtles? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. And each of them call upon the methods many times with different sizes. Sizes mean like the parameters chosen. Also with the pen width parameters, how thick the pen will be. Let's go ahead and run this code really quick. Alright, this is what was created with this code. With calling upon methods in several different ways, you could use it in the real world for creating something like, I don't know, a cool logo. But, well, that's all for now. Hope you all enjoyed and learned something new. Cheers.